Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are now on week 7 of the series where I showcase my TFSA as an 18-year-old Canadian. I started this near my 18th birthday, and I'm going to be literally just doing this every single week for my portfolio and showcasing how much it grows over time. I'm 18, so my TFSA contribution limit is only $6,000 a year. Well, we'll see in 2022 if they do increase that. My net deposits right now is more than that. I just added $150 into it, so $5,700 is what my deposit is for the year. So I have $300 left for the next 2 months. So I'm just gonna do 150 a month, probably, and just kind of tone down my spending. But I just want to get as much money into the market as possible. When they announce what the contribution is limit is for 2022, let's say it's 6,500. I do kind of expect them to increase it, hopefully, because inflation has been brutal. But if they don't increase it, it's 6,000 again, and then it won't be the end of the world. I can just divide 6,000 by 52 weeks, and then that's how many weeks that's how much money I'll be putting in a week. So it'll be like just over 100 probably, and then yeah, we'll see. That's just gonna be my plan for going forward. Sorry. I'm actually gonna be deciding on what stock to buy right here, right now. So as you can see, Algonquin, I'm still down. I have 32 shares of that. I have 8 shares of Couche-Tard. All-time return, I'm up. Bell, I'm down $1. Oh, it doesn't really matter. CNR, I'm up $41. So this stock has shot up in the recent weeks. Uh, I bought my average price at this is like 147 or something. Let's see. Average price 146.85, and now is up at 167.52. So this stock is treating me really well. Mara, I'm even. Ambridge, I'm up $7.48. Oh, and look, Amera, I'm now up 14 cents. So let's celebrate that as well. And then Fortis, I'm down $17.13 on 7 shares. Manulife, I'm up 35 shares, or not up 35 shares. I'm up $28 on 35 shares. RioCan, I'm up $1.38 on 7 shares. Smart Centers, which is another REIT I have in my portfolio, I'm up $7.77 on 7 shares. TELUS, I'm down 18.46 on 16 shares. TD, I'm up 93.77 on 13 shares. My average price is 82.26 on TD, which is really really good. That's one of I got in the market at a good time, which was very lucky for me. I kind of bought it around, if you go like the 3 months chart here, I bought it around this nice little dip here, and then it obviously shot up. When I saw TD at this low, I knew I was gonna get it in a large way of my portfolio, and I did, and it paid off so far for sure. This is my only index ETF. It's the VFV S&P 500. This is a great way of tracking the S&P 500 if you're in Canada. There's other ways to do it, but this is just the one I chose. And I have 3.4647 shares of that, and it's up $10.19. And this also pays a dividend of around 1%. So it's not a horrible dividend for ETF. Then I'm gonna check to see what stock I'm gonna buy today. Let's see. I think I'm gonna add one more share at TD, just because the yield is really really nice. TD is paying their dividend soon, but I'm buying this share too late, so this won't be included in the dividend. Oops, not a fractional buy. I'm gonna go to a market buy here, and my TFSA. I do have a personal account which I made some moves in outside my TFSA. This is my dividends. My TFSA, I'm kind of holding on my dividend stocks, whereas my personal account, I just deposited $1,000. I just bought like $900 worth of this one company, which I'll make a video on my growth stock series as well. That one won't be as frequent, but I just have 2 accounts now, just in case you guys were wondering. I have $150 to trade. I'm just gonna buy 1 share of TD right now at 89.48. The last week it has gone up quite a bit, but I just want to buy another share of TD because I really do believe in this company long term, and I'm up $93, so this basically paid for itself already. So I'm just gonna go in and confirm this order of TD. That will increase my average price by quite a bit, but now it's probably going to be like, let's see here, 82.78, but like it doesn't, it's still not bad at all compared to where the current price is at. And now we have $60 left to trade, and I think I know where I'm going to put this. I'm going to put this back into Bell. Actually, no, I'm not, because I'm just short. I don't like buying fractional shares. I'm very weird like that. I like having all my companies besides my index fund on even share numbers for some reason. I know it's not the most efficient way of doing things, but I'm kind of OCD when it comes to that stuff. And I'll buy fractional shares of VFE, but I like everything else to be around nice, clean, even number, just so it's easier to keep track of in my spreadsheets and stuff. I just don't like the messy long digits that like you see here. I wouldn't want that for all these. However, with that being said, I am going to buy another stock here today, and if I did do that, I would be able to buy more. If I wanted to buy fraction shares, I could buy like 3 of Manulife's. Well, not 3, but 2 point something of Manulife stock or whatever. But I just am not open minded like that, and for some reason I closed that down, and now it kind of hurts me a little bit. But I just usually dump like when I have like $5 or $6 into the index fund. That's kind of my strategy for that, and then hopefully it's gonna slowly build up over time. Yeah. So I'm gonna buy. I think I'm gonna buy. Let's see what my average price is here on Enbridge. It's 50.88. So I'm not gonna get into that one yet. Algonquin, my average price is 19.30. It's down at 18.72. I do have a lot of equity in that already though, so I'm not gonna get into that one. Fortis, my average price is 57. I have 7 shares of it already. It's a bit more than I would like as well. So I think I'm gonna go with maybe another position of a REIT here. So I think I'm gonna buy one more share of SmartCentres Real Estate and one more share of RioCan. Let's confirm that order. My average price is a bit lower than what the current price is at, but this pays a 5.89% yield. So, I'm going to make some decent interest on that. Then we should have enough. I have 28.86, so I'm just going to go ahead and buy another share of RioCan. I'll show you what I do with my the rest of my money. So I have $6.20 available. I'll go and put this in this index fund here. So it will buy me like 0.0617 of a share. And I'll just go buy this. I don't really care the prices. It's an index fund. It's probably going to go up over time. And I know that. Unless there's obviously certain factors like the pandemic. But over the long period, it's going to go up like every time, essentially. Not financial advice, but yeah, so I'm not really too worried. This is still unavailable because it kind of, when you do a fractional buy, it waits till the end of the day, end of the trading day, and then it will complete the trade. So that's why that's unavailable. But now I basically have 0 money to trade with, and here's I'll go over my portfolio pretty quickly for you guys. So Algonquin, 32 shares. This is my updated one. Really, only changes were one more share of TD and one more share of RioCan and SmartCentres each. Anyways, if you guys want to sign up with Wealthsimple Trade, there's a link in the description. You get the value of 2 free stocks when you sign up with that link. So you might as well take advantage of that. If you guys are into crypto, there's also a link for that down below. It's not Wealthsimple. I don't use Wealthsimple for crypto because you can't move it anywhere after. So it's really not your crypto. I use Newton because you can transfer your crypto to another wallet later on if you decide to go down that route. And the whole point of crypto is being like decentralized and it being yours. So I do not recommend Wealthsimple for crypto. So I'm not gonna lie to you and say, "Oh, use Wealthsimple for crypto." I would rather use like Newton or something. It's just my opinion. But there's a link for Newton where you get a $25 bonus on crypto as well down there. And there's also a credit or MasterCard for 18. I think it's a pretty good option for 18-year-olds like me to build some credit scores. Just check out the description. There's a lot of stuff that you might find interesting down there. Anyways, I'll get the ad out of the way. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'm an 18-year-old Canadian. If you guys are new to the channel who posts my investment journey online, I already mentioned this at the beginning of the video, so this video is probably getting a bit long-winded now. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next week's episode, and I'm going to be starting to increase the quality of my content after this video, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I'm in university, so it is a bit busy, so that's why I haven't been editing my videos as much. I just rather get something out there than nothing, which is probably not the right theory. I do usually do or aim for quality over quantity, but I feel like I've been slacking and doing the opposite. So I'm probably gonna start ramping up the quality of the content in the future and just making one video a week and two when I have time. But school has been pretty busy, so that's the only reason. Stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next week.